See how it is. She's not gonna pick up. I see how it is. I'm gonna remember this. I'm gonna remember this. I'm gonna try it again. You better pick up. You better pick up. Alright. What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz back here with another video. Today, well, let me back up. First, if you guys have not seen the Miata Dreamin' video, go watch it. You'll have a little bit of understanding, a little bit more understanding about what's going on. Emmy's car just will not start. The battery's connected. We tried jumping it. The battery's fine. It's like a fuse or a short or something with the ignition that is not allowing this car to start. It's not like it cranks. It's not like it even clicks to turn on, turn over, anything like that. Now let me show you guys. Watch it start like it did in the video. All right, so look, this is what we got going on. You put the key in, you turn it forward, and it looks like it's a dead battery, right? Because if you had the key forward, like that, the radio would be on, the dash lights would be on, all of that would be working. But I know for a fact the battery is charged, it is good, and both terminals are connected. I don't know if there's like a safety switch or a fuse. She messed with a fuse or something. First we're gonna pop the trunk, make sure that's still connected and good, the battery. And then we're gonna go up front and then mess with that main fuse or the fan fuse, whatever she was messing with before, and see if we can figure out what the hell is causing this thing to just not work. Look who decided to call back, and I missed. Bro, ain't no way she's not gonna pick up again. It's crazy. It's crazy. I'm gonna just steal her phone. That's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna get walkie-talkies.
Hey,
you're joking. You're joking. All right. Anyways, back to trying to fix her car. And the whole reason I called her was to see if she wanted to help, see if she wanted to work on it when she got back. But this is happening. Hopefully she'll want to help anyways. Step one, checking the battery. Look, I promise, both of these terminals are connected. Yeah, you can see the second one. They're both really tight, like it's not like they're loose, like the Skyline. So that's good. All right, we shook the battery up a little bit. See if we get anything. Nothing. Let's try that main fuse thing. So here's the diagram. Main. We'll check that one. But she also messed with the cooling fan one, which doesn't make sense to me. All right. I mean, that's in there. That's in there. So what the hell? Let's see if the radio or dash lights or anything is on. Still nothing. Let's see if they're blown, I guess. How do you tell if a fuse is blown? I guess this is more of a relay, but we unplugged it. Just unplug it. Plug it back in. We'll do the same with the main fuse. Am I missing something? Is there like a special way to get these out? Man, I don't know. All right, so I just sat down in the car, and as you guys can see, after wiggling the main fuse, the radio's back on. So let's see if this thing will start. Radio's on, dash light's on. Okay. All right. So it's on. I don't know why the hell. I still don't know if it was the cooling fan or the main. It's probably the main fuse. I don't know what the cooling fan would have to do with it. Okay, we popped that back on and we're good. So this video is supposed to take a little bit longer. We'll see Emmy when she gets home. All right, well, I finally got in contact with Emmy after playing phone tag for a little while. She'll be home soon. Do you guys know how to plug a tire? Like with the little sticky sticks and the pokey stick? Because I've tried and it made one of my spares like worse on the Skyline for a little while before I got a new tire. So we're gonna try on Emmy's. We're gonna take her wheel off and like make sure it's a screw or something, not the bead around the tire and wheel. If we can find that, pull that out, we're gonna try to patch it. So worst case, pay 25 bucks and pay somebody else to patch it. Worth a shot. This is free at this point. I've had this stuff forever. Let's check up the car, take the wheel off, and see what we can do. I love after months, I still have Danish jack. It's kind of funny. But I found this nice little crack in our driveway so that the jack fits under there. Perfect. Also, I can't film a video without homeboy taking a fat shit every time, and I just know I'm gonna be downwind of it. I'm gonna be downwind of it. That's how it is every time. Get the thing in the air, get the wheel off. Bro, I forget I have to do this every time, because I don't have a 21 mil socket for some reason. I don't know who the hell uses 21 millimeter lugs, but we gotta lower it back down. Okay. It's literally the worst thing ever. If anybody out there would like to donate a 21 millimeter socket, inquire in my DMs. Thank you. I guess I've been spoiled with an impact. Alright, close enough. Guys, I don't see a nail. I lied. I found it. It's definitely just a rusty old little nail. Step one, we gotta get this little piece out. This isn't gonna like shoot out at me, right? Checking the hospital. Yeah, hey, I have a nail in my face. I was just repairing a tire and it just kind of, oh, that's terrifying. All right, I'm gonna get this out and I'll show you guys. This is hard to do one-handed. We're just gonna call this video Dumbass Learns How to Patch Tire for the First Time at age 20. Bro, I started recording because I thought it was coming out. Take two. Nice. Now I'm pretty sure we just let the air, oh, maybe I wanna do this. Hold on. All right, I'm pretty sure I get the tool. Can't see it, but yeah, I get the tool. I make sure there's enough room in there, and then I put one of the sticky things in it. So wish me luck. Here we go. Here we go. Step one, this makes sure there's enough room and enough grip for the little sticky thing we're gonna put in here to actually stay. All right. Oh, this isn't the right tool. I need the other little one to put, damn it, hold on. Hold on. Oh, I messed up. Oh, God. Oh, God, please just stay. All right, this is the other little tool I was talking about. It has this end so that you put this sticky thing, you feed it through here, kinda. You feed it, come on, just go through. All right, you feed it, you listen to a ricer out on the highway. All right, come on. All right, you get it halfway through like that. Now we're gonna take out the other tool, push this in, and hope it stays. Come on. Bro, this is taking a lot of effort. Come on. Oh, dude. I don't know if I made the hole big enough. Hold on. I'm gonna try it again. Oh. Okay, all right. All right, that's all right. Just gonna do a little more of this. A little more. Dude, tell me how I can pick up the whole wheel with this thing. Bro, how the hell are you supposed to get this all the way in the tire? I'm gonna go get a mallet. Bro, when I tell you hitting this kind of hard, oh my God. Gee, this is what I was scared of. What did I do wrong? I guess we're gonna try this closer to the edge, like that. Okay, that definitely went through. All right, we're like out of air pressure now. I don't know if we need that or not. Bro, this is annoying. Go. I don't think I did it. All right, so I just trimmed off this little piece. And this is what we're left with. There's plenty of it in the tire, like I promise. Yeah, it'll definitely flatten itself out. And look who came home.
Yo,
my working man.
Guess what?
With the boots.
On the way home,
yeah,
a rock hit my windshield.
Did it crack it? Let's go see.
My nice low mileage.
Let's go see. We'll get back to this. Your nice low mileage Lexus now has a nice crack in the windshield. Ayo, fuck rocks everywhere, bro. We're not rocking with rocks, bro. Here is a little crack. If you guys don't know, that is definitely fixable. We sell this stuff at Advance in the shade. You put it in there and then you let it cure, and then it fills all of that little crack, or little nick, I guess. That way it doesn't spread to a crack. But we have stuff to fix it if you want to try it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to try? We'll try that either this video or another video. Let's go fill up the Miata tire and spray some soapy water on it. See if we see any bubbles. All right, well, the car started again, which is good. We got the old slime tire inflator over here. This thing's actually awesome. That still looks good. Let's see if this thing will hold some air. All right, you guys stay here. I'm gonna go get some soapy water. All right, that's filling up. It's set to 37 or so. But I don't see any bubbles, man. Keep spraying it and we'll check it again when it's almost full. Nice. All right, let's cut this bad boy off. Undo this little piece, put it back on the car. All right, she should be good. We'll have to see obviously over the next couple days because it legit took like a week to go flat. So fingers crossed, we should be good. Emmy should be getting home here soon, and we'll show her what we accomplished. So of course, as I went to move this thing, it didn't want to start. So we popped the hood. We're gonna smack some of these fuses over here and make sure this is the issue. Because if we can at least narrow it down, we can figure out what the hell. We can figure out what the hell's going on. Let's see if the dash lights and stuff are back on. All right, come on. Come on, little car. All right, radio's on. Come on and start. Come on and start for me. Yeah, dude, it's definitely something with the fuse box or wiring or something. Oh, no power steering. All right, that's close enough. Bam, bam, we're done. Whew. Oh, it's been a day. It's been a day, boys. I don't know if I've told you guys or not in this video, but got a Miata. We're going to pick it up March 27th. It's in New Jersey. It's gonna be a whole ass road trip. It's gonna be kind of hard getting on the trailer, and fingers crossed. But keep an eye out for that in the near future. More wagon videos, more Skyline videos out soon, of course, too. Oh my God, and it was like 55 degrees out today, and I was like, dang, well, I don't want a t-shirt, well, I don't want a hoodie. I decided to go with the long sleeve. The long sleeve available at getmoonstruck.com. Go get a long sleeve or a sticker. Guys, look who I found. We played phone tag for like an hour.
Yeah.
No, it was like 30 minutes.
No, yeah.
But anyways, hey, I fixed your car. I patched your tire and got it to start.
You did really?
Yeah, so it's all set. It's outside, it's just sitting.
You wanna go see it?
You wanna go see it?
Yeah.
Let's go see it.
Let's go see it. If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. Hint, it has something to do with cruise control. All right, see if it starts. Oh, it did not start? Just kidding, I'm just kidding. Please start, please start, please start. Oh, let's go! Let's go! This also means I gotta take the wagon to work now. Oh shit, I don't have to take Skyline. This is still holding air, which is very good. What'd you say?
It's not idling high.
Yeah, and it's not idling weird. I adjusted the idle the other night at work.
Please comment what door cards I should get. I want to get the spinny wish ones, but I don't know if I should get like a pattern on them or just get the regular black. Cause so I replaced all my interior to black. It was tan, and yeah, it needs some help.
It needs some love. It needs a little bit of love.
Yeah, the 97 door cards are different than all the other ones. The armrest is bigger, and I messed it up. So
It's fine. You got new ones on the way.
But what comment down below what kind of spinning wish door
Hell
cards
yeah.
I should get.
All right, just real quick before we wrap up the video, you're getting your tax return, and you might need a new phone, and the stimmy. You're getting a stimmy check.
The stimmy.
What are the plans?
So
what are the plans
I'm
for
looking
the Miata?
So I really want to get a PS Deuce kit, but I think the only way that's going to be happening is if I get it secondhand. So if you know someone selling one, hit me up.
Hit me up for a Deuce kit. Not
Yeah, for a Deuce kit, but I might just get a KBD kit, and I'm trying to talk to work about getting the wheels, but they don't have the ones that I need in 15s.
Do they have them in 16s?
I don't know, I just emailed them back.
Ah, fair.
So,
Hell yeah. Well, tons of plans, kit, paint, wheels, all that coming soon for the Miata.
Jeremy, I don't know if you'd be watching the videos, but
We'll find
getting
out.
my car.
But hell yeah. Alright guys, well that's where I'm going to wrap up this video. It was a very productive day. And this has been Fitz and Emmy and her Miata back here with another video. And we'll see you guys in the next one.